Your phone is like that one friend who can't keep a secret. It's constantly whispering your location, habits, and personal details to apps, advertisers, and who knows who. But don't worry, there's a fix. Here's how to shut your phone up and take back your privacy in just a few taps. Number 1, location tracking. Do you really need a digital shadow? Apps love knowing where you are, even if they don't need it. Does your flashlight app really need your GPS? Probably not. On iPhones, go to Settings, Privacy and Security, Location Services, and turn off location for apps that don't need it. On Android, navigate to Settings, Location, and restrict permissions for unnecessary apps. Pro tip: if an app must use your location, like Maps, select while using the app instead of always. Number 2, personalized ads. The internet knows too much about you. Ever search for a toaster and then saw ads for toasters everywhere? That's because your phone is tracking your every move to serve you ads. On iPhone, go to Settings, Privacy and Security, Apple Advertising, and turn off personalized ads. On Android, head to Settings, Privacy, Ads, and opt out of ad tracking. Fun fact: disable these settings won't remove ads completely, but it will make them less creepy. Number 3, app permissions. Stop giving apps VIP access to your life. Some apps act like they own your phone. They want access to your contacts, microphone, camera, and even your emotions. Okay, maybe not that last one yet. On iPhones, check Settings, Privacy and Security, and see which apps are snooping around. On Android, go to Settings, Privacy, Permission Manager, and revoke any unnecessary permissions. Test it yourself. If an app crashes after you remove a permission, it was probably misusing it in the first place. Number 4, encrypt your device. Lock down your data. Think of encryption as putting your personal data in a high-tech vault. Without it, anyone who gets access to your phone can see everything. On Android, check Settings, Security, Encryption, and Credentials to ensure encryption is enabled. On iPhone, if you've set up a passcode, encryption is already on. Well done, Apple. Pro tip: use a strong passcode, not 1234 or password, because hackers will try those first. Number 5, regular updates. The annoying but necessary fix. Yes, software updates are a pain, but skipping them is like leaving your front door unlocked. Updates patch security holes that hackers love to exploit. Turn on automatic updates. iPhone, Settings, General, Software Update, Automatic Updates. Android, Settings, System, System Update. Pro tip: updates can also improve battery life and speed up your phone. Number 6, public Wi-Fi, hackers' favorite playground. Public Wi-Fi is great for scrolling, but it's also a hacker's dream. Unsecured networks allow bad actors to snoop on your data. Avoid accessing sensitive accounts, banking, email on public Wi-Fi. Use a VPN to encrypt your connection when on the go. Easy fix: if you must use public Wi-Fi, turn off auto join networks. Settings, Wi-Fi, so your phone doesn't connect without your permission. Number 7, stronger passcodes, your first line of defense. A weak passcode is like using a paper lock on a steel door. Ditch the simple 4-digit PIN. Use a 6-digit or alphanumeric passcode instead. Enable biometric authentication, Face ID, fingerprint for an extra layer of security. Fun fact, 123456 is still one of the most common passwords in the world. If that's yours, please change it. Number 8, two-factor authentication, because one password isn't enough. If a hacker gets your password, 2FA is your safety net. It adds an extra step, like a text message code, to verify your identity. Turn on 2FA for important accounts, Google, Apple, banking, etc. Use an authenticator app instead of SMS for extra security. Real talk. If your password gets stolen but you have 2FA enabled, hackers are out of luck. Number 9, turn off features you don't use. Your phone has a lot of hidden features that could be leaking data without you knowing. Disable Bluetooth and NFC when not in use. Turn off background app refresh to stop apps from secretly running in the background. Bonus, this also saves battery life. Number 10, back up your data, because accidents happen. Even if you do everything right, things can go wrong. Phones get lost, stolen, or break. Make sure you have backups. Use iCloud or Google Drive to back up important data. Manually back up to a computer for an extra layer of protection. Pro tip, set up automatic backups so you don't have to think about it. Final thoughts. Take control of your privacy today. Your phone doesn't have to be a data leaking snitch. By making these simple changes, you can keep your personal information safe, limit creepy tracking, and enjoy better security. So what are you waiting for? Stay safer, stay securer by tweaking those settings now. Your future self will thank you. I'll see you again soon. Bye-bye, and thanks for reading, watching, and listening.